посетителей. Gift shop? Wanna? Let's go to the gift shop. Okay. Winter is right there. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Look at this.
Извини, что не поздоровался.
Oh, so many of the petite prince. History books, more history books, business, Russian language, English. See? There's only English here? No. Spain, French, Chinese. Okay. Oh my god. It's Korean. But it's not the book. Here. I remember that cards with Korean words. We had it when I started learning Korean. It's like a nostalgia. Oh, architecture book, art and history. Photo and design, cinema. Oh, Putin, church. Putin. Moscow. Oh, Moscow is so beautiful. Moscow. Symbol of the year. Oh, this is the symbol of the year. Nice. Kitty? Okay. It can be even kitty, even the bull. Anti-stress. Oh, this is about the museums of Russia and other. Washington Gallery, Russian Museum, Dresden Gallery, Madrid, and something in London. Yeah, Tate Gallery. Now it's Warhol exhibition in Moscow. Is it for kids? Vladimir Lyubarov art. Russian books. Dina Rubina. Alexandra Marina, they're like detective. Dina Rubina is mostly about Jewish. Narine Simon. I don't know. Захар Прилепин. Tatiana Ustinova, also detective. St. Petersburg stories. Oh, this book is so beautiful. Look at this.
Приглашаем вас посетить антикварно-букинистический отдел книжного магазина.
It's a Bookinistic store also there. Religion books, really old religion books. I prefer would not touch it because I'm not wearing gloves. Look at this. I'm so sorry that the camera cannot send you the smell of this place. Typical bookstore smell. Mother calling. It's about heraldics. Oh, look at this. It's a big square of St. Petersburg. History. Russian language. Armenian. Oh, the Beatles. The stamps. Rare stamps. Russian. And money. Republika Czechoslovakia. Okay. We don't need to disturb. Let's go out. Let's change our way a little bit to see something really beautiful. And this is Stanislavsky and Nemirovich-Danchenko, our Russian theater makers. You probably all heard about Stanislavsky system of playing. Just take a look at this. No color. That is so beautiful as it is. Chekhov place. Academia. Pizza bar. This is a theater. Adoyevsky manor house, and now it's a theater. Moscow, I don't know. Moscow theater? Художественный theater. Art? Yeah. Who's that? Do you know this guy? In Melechova. Okay. Дядя Ваня. Hello, Дядя Ваня. Uncle Vanya. Yeah. Stanislavsky. More Chekhov. Yeah, this is Chekhov in Yalta. Yalta. I've been to Yalta some weeks ago, and we've been to Chekhov's place, Chekhov's house before. Это Nemirovich-Danchenko. Three sisters, три сестры. Georgian restaurant. Market. This girl lost her friend. Оксана. Оксана.
Возьмите, чтобы кадр не
Go again. Come to me.
Возьмите. Оксана, 2 минуты вашего драгоценного времени.
Okay. They got her. Oh, what's that?
Твоя туда.
Ну, как вы себя ощущаете?
Почти скинула оковы.
Скинула оковы.
Мира.
Her husband. She's a witch. Real witch. I know, definitely. This is Kamergersky Street, and this cafe is called Kamergerka. This is Prokofiev's museum. And Glinka Museum of Music. This is Prokofiev. And the Prokofiev Museum. Burger King, Krispy Kreme, Marcelli's. All the places is really famous everywhere. Yeah, Marcelli's probably is just a local thing, but I really liked this place some years ago. And also that Varenchne we have seen near the, what's it called? Елисеевский. Yeah, another one beautiful street. You see? Music is everywhere. And we are going into the party place. They want money. This is Let's Rock Bar. There's a lot of people, of my friends, who likes to spend I used to spend a lot of time there. It's so annoying, guys.
Что там хулиганишь, а? Так.
Белый открыла ночь огромный зон, встречая розовым рассветом на сиреневом небе. Я так хотела быть одна, не забывая обо мне. Ты засыпала у окна, когда пришел новый день, такой же, как и всегда. Ты позабыла все вокруг. Когда устал сон, возникший небо, и он где-то далеко. Ты забудешь обо мне на сиреневом небе, может.
Улица
Это фигня все, вы просто не ходите туда, где дорого.
А я считаю, что для этого нужно увеличить возможности и ходить туда, где дорого.
Oh. Restaurant. It's Bolshaya Theatre restaurant and Central Universal Market. Zoom magazine, Zoom store. Everybody heard of that, right? That is the most luxury place. You can buy clothes and all of that. Let's go there.